guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul from Double Dip. They were kind enough to send me some goodies and I'm so excited. So we know I use their liners essentially, I feel like in every single video because I just love them. I have the original set here, which they came out with, gosh, I mean, like, you can tell, like, this is well used. I know, don't judge me. It came out maybe 6 months ago, maybe a little bit longer. And they have a couple more sets now. I went with this one because we're going into spring and summer and I want to use some lighter colors. Now, personally, I think these are awesome, so I already know I am going to like them. I will state that. But who doesn't love neon colors? I mean, right? So I'm actually going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys so you can kind of see all of the different colors. If they are even a quarter as good as the other ones, then we are in business. So let me pop these out. All right, so I got my colors in order. I probably should have put them in frame, but what I end up doing is I did notice that there's kind of like an ombre in like 3 of the colors here. Didn't really think this one through. And then the blue, which you can't see because now, okay, we're failing. It's fine. So we have a little bit of an ombre going for these colors, then there's the yellows and then the blue. So I'm going to swatch them in their kind of ombre state. So I'm gonna do these guys, these guys, these guys, because honestly, I have a lot of ideas for like these oranges. I think they're gonna be super pretty. So this is 12. So again, I'm just doing lines. This is 8. Here, I'll zoom in. That probably isn't good enough. And it's probably super blown out. Okay, that is 8. This is 7. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Okay, moving on to pink. This is 9. One thing I do have to say I really like about, oh, this is 11. These is that they are consistent. So I find that, you know, when other colors come into play, like you can say, oh, well, you know, the yellow isn't good in this set, but every other color is. I haven't noticed that in these stripers. So some have that issue, some don't, I think. Thankfully, this one does not. Oh, that was 10, and that one was 2. Sorry, just continuing to talk. But I'm excited because these are very springtime colors for me. Like I couldn't tell if this was yellow or green. I put it with the green, but it might be yellow. Actually, yeah, that's yellow. Whoops. This is 6. Here, I'll do it the other way. We'll do, this one is 1. Which I thought it was green, but now looking at it, it probably looks more yellow. This is 5. Okay. This is 6. Ooh, sunflower yellow. But you see, like, I feel like that one could go either way, and that's probably really blown out now. Like, it could go either way. And then we have 3. Whoops. Perfect. Now they are all the same type of consistency except for, yes, so number 5 and number 10 are the only different type of finishes in my opinion. You probably, well, you might be able to tell on the yellow. This guy right here is a little bit different. And then this green is a little bit different. I would say the rest are that nice cream finish. And then these have some translucent to them, which I think adds a lot of good definition to the pack. Cause you know, sometimes if you're doing like leaves and flowers, that would look really good. So these are them. Like I said, I would probably be a little biased to these cause they are so pretty and I knew I liked the other ones, so these are nice. Since we are swatching, okay, so I got 2 of these. Oh, I forgot to say, this is the Let It Glow collection. And that was probably really loud. That's Let It Go. All right, so these are some soak off gel polishes and you get regular polishes. And I'm just a mess, y'all. It's fine. Okay. So these are your regular polishes, obviously because they are see-through. And you're not going to have gel polish be see-through. I actually like that they have the numbers right there. I will probably put them on top. If you guys know, you've been with me, I like my colors on top. So let's swatch them. We're doing 653, which was that seafoam. Ooh, this is a really nice formula. I also really like the brush. It's, trying to take some of this off. The brush is stiff, but has some movement to it. Like I'm trying, let me scrape it off. You can see it is super, let me see, focus. I'm gonna assume that it's focused. I'm just going back over it so you guys can see. You can see it's like stiff, but it's really smooth. I hope I'm describing that correctly for you guys. Like it is a stiffer brush, but it gives a great application. Next up is the 586, which was that blue with a little bit of shimmer. And I have said this in previous videos, but I always like to bring it to the attention when applying these types of glitters, meaning it's a solid color with very fine glitter, it is going to appear chunky. So let me zoom you in, or I'm just gonna come up so you guys can see. So when applying it, see how it looks a little bit chunky? That's because the glitters are so fine. So it's almost like sand, but when you apply it, and apply it on your skin, give it a second, and it all disappears into a nice smooth application. Okay, next up is another liquid for dip nails because I hardened mine. I was so mad when I did it. I saw myself do it, and after I did it, I was like, okay, we're here. I love this stuff. This is literally my favorite dip base out of any that I have tried. Tried and true, this one will always be my favorite. It's nice and thin. It doesn't add the thickness. It's just like, I hope you guys can see. And I like that the bottle's clear. I feel like a lot of them are clear, but not necessarily all of them. But I truly love this one, by far my favorite. Next are these jelly tips. This is their long coffin. And don't use your nails to open packages, unlike me. Now I do have their, I think it's short stiletto. And I don't know if the video is up. I'm literally so behind on videos, but you know what? I'll make a point to get that other video up. And then I really want to try these ones because I feel like these are gonna make me feel like a badass, because look at them. Again, I don't wear my nails that long, but I tend to be in smaller sizes over here. But these are, they're nice and thick, where I feel like some of them aren't necessarily super thick. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. So far, so good. And I don't mind customizing them. Like you can see, if I put that down, let me put my hand behind it. Come on, see that arch right there? Right there. Where the hole clear is, that's what gel is going to fill. So when you apply them and you put the gel on, that is an awesome apex. I feel like a lot of tips don't have an apex like that, especially when applying. You want definitely an apex to keep these bad boys strong. So I am very happy to see that. So we have the regular polish and the gel polish swatches. They are on point. They are exactly the same. There is that shimmer in this one. It's coming up in the blue. This is just a nice, solid, milky, kind of limey green. Awesome. Really excited for that. Then we have these guys, which are beautiful, and they're not showing up true to color. I mean, they're close, but not like fully true to color, at least to the eye. But I feel like neons never come out well in, you know, studio lights. I am so excited to play with these stripers more. I am obsessed with those colors. I mean, who would not be obsessed? They are just so pretty, so neon, and I'm here for it. These are beautiful spring colors. Had to get another one of these because I, again, messed it up. And then the gel polishes are beautiful. So overall, I cannot wait to dive into these more. I do have a discount code. I will leave it on the screen as well as down below. I have it on almost all my videos. So I will link it again below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.